Hi, today let's make super simple, super crispy Paneer Thecha rice. Now in a pan you need to add in some peanuts and roast it and keep it aside. Now I'll tell you what to do with this peanut later. So roast it and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, no adding any kind of oil. I've added in some coriander stems. I've added in some garlic cloves and peanuts again along with some green chilies and give it a good mix. See to that the masala, these basic masalas are fried really very well, and you'll get to know when the chilies gets blisters like that. Now add cumin seeds to the dry pan and then add in oil. The cumin seeds, everything starts spluttering. That time just give it a good toss and keep it aside. Let this masala cool. Once it cools down, add it to the blender. Then goes in some coriander leaves. Add in some salt. Add a little bit of water and make a smooth paste like this. Usually techa is coarse, but we are making a rice recipe, so it needs to be a paste. Now let's thinly slice some veggies like capsicum. This I've de-seeded the tomatoes. Then I've added in sliced onion and paneer. Here the peanut which I kept it aside previously, that I have crushed it, and that needs to be crushed coarsely and kept aside. Now to the same pan I've added in oil. I've added in cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add in curry leaves and give it a good toss. Then I've added in some sliced onion and give it a good mix. Here the onion doesn't need to turn brown. We need the veggies crispy and crunchy. So once the onion is add in some capsicum and tomatoes. If you have cabbage, please feel free and go ahead add it. Then I've added in paneer and give it a good toss. Now I'm adding in the techa paste which I've made. Look, the veggies look crunchy, it's not like soggy, and then the paneer needs to be coated and it has been coated very well with the masala. Now I've added in salt to taste and I've added in sugar for the balancing. Now let's add the main ingredients, which is the rice. Here you need to use a short grain rice. I have used Sona Masuri rice. You can even use Jeera rice. Add it and toss it really very well. See to that each and every grain is coated very well with the techa masala. Check for the salt. Finally, don't forget to add lemon juice, and finally add in some crushed peanut. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your tasty paneer techa rice is ready to have it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and